welcome to EduKool. Here we are with the next video in our vocabulary series. So, are you ready to learn 3 new words? Okay then, let's start. So, our first word is remorse. R-E-M-O-R-S-E, remorse. Friends, remorse is a noun. It means a strong feeling of guilt and regret about something you have done. फ्रेंड्स, जब हम कोई काम करते हैं और उस काम को करने के बाद हमें अपने उस काम के ऊपर पछतावा होता है, गिल्ट होती है, तो उस समय हमारी जो फीलिंग होती है उस फीलिंग को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए हम रिमोर्स वर्ड का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Let us understand the meaning of this word more clearly with the help of few sentences. The thief felt no remorse for the thefts he had committed. Rohan felt deep remorse for neglecting his family over the years. Friends, our next word is stipulation. S-T-I-P-U-L-A-T-I-O-N. Stipulation. Friends, stipulation is a noun and it means a condition or requirement that is specified or demanded as part of an agreement. फ्रेंड्स, किसी भी एग्रीमेंट में, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में जो शर्तें होती हैं, जो कंडीशंस होती हैं, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? स्टिपुलेशन. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्यू एग्जांपल्स. The only stipulation for the job interview is that candidates must be above the age of 35. That means for the job interview, the condition is that the candidates who are going to participate in the interview must be above the age of 35. Let us see one more sentence. There is no stipulation as to the amount you can invest in a savings account. Our next word is amiable. A-M-I-A-B-L-E, amiable. Friends, amiable is an adjective and it can be used to describe a person who displays a friendly and pleasant manner. Let us see how we can use amiable in a sentence. Rahul seems an amiable young man. Friends, if someone had been a good host to you, so in that case you can say that that person had been an amiable host. For example, Mrs. Gupta had been an amiable host.